Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, my dear students, to our English period for grade 7. Unit 4, lesson 3. Our lesson today is about directions. Let's start studying lesson 3. In your student's book, page 25, exercise number 1 is about listening. We want to listen to Khalid's mother. Complete the pieces of advice she gives him. Look at these sentences carefully and listen to Khalid's mother and try to complete the gaps.
3.2.
Don't stay up late when you have school the next day. Always go to bed early. Pack your bag and prepare your clothes for school. Don't forget your art class on Wednesday. Ask your friends to come and work all together on the school project.
After listening, my dear students, let's check our answers. Khalid's mother says, space late when you have school the next day. That's right. Don't stay up late. Always space to bed early. Excellent. Always go to bed early. The next gap. Space your bag and space your clothes for school. Pack your bag and prepare your clothes for school. Space your art class on Wednesday. Don't forget. Excellent. The next one is space your friends to come and work all together on the school project. Ask. Now, my dear students, here let's read the pieces of advice which Khalid's mother gave to him. The first one, don't stay up late when you have school the next day. Number 2, go to bed early. Number 3, pack your bag and prepare your clothes for school. Don't forget your art class on Wednesday. And the last one, ask your friends to come and work together on the school project. What did you get from Khalid's mother? What did you get for Khalid's mother? You should depend on yourself and be ready. Now, my dear students, let's study some new vocabulary in our lesson today. The first word is altogether. Repeat after me. Altogether, altogether, altogether. Example, we should work all together for our country. We should work all together for our country. All together means including everything or everyone. The next word, repeat after me. Librarian, librarian, librarian. I love books. I want to be a librarian. He works in a library. He is a librarian. So the word librarian means a person who works in a library. Corridor, corridor, corridor. Repeat after me. Corridor. Walk in the corridor. Don't run. Walk in the corridor. Don't run. So the word corridor, it means a long passage in a building which leads into rooms. Now, my dear students, let's remember and see how many words can you remember. Look at the picture and try to guess the word. What can you see in this picture? What's this? Excellent. Bravo. Corridor. Corridor. The next one. What can you see in this picture? All together. All together. Excellent. The last one. Yes. Librarian. Librarian. Thank you. Now, my dear students, we are going to talk about rules. What are your school rules? Look at the pictures and try to tell me some rules in your school. Look and listen. Please line up. Please raise your hand. Be quiet, etc. These are school rules. My dear students, in exercise number 2, we are going to talk about imperatives, do and don't. When we talk about imperatives, we should start with the main verb. Example, stand up, sit down, study your lessons, do your homework. We start the imperatives with the main verb. And in the negative form, we use the word don't. Don't speak when the teacher is explaining. Don't run in the corridor. Don't eat in the class. Now, complete the following instructions about school rules. Use these verbs. Do, run, forget, listen, talk. Have your time and complete. Don't forget, we start the imperatives with the main verb in positive, and we use don't plus infinitive in the negative form. Okay, let's check our answers. The first one, don't run in the corridor. That's right. Number 2, don't forget your books. Don't forget your books. Number 3, listen well to the teacher. Number 4, do your homework. Do your homework. Read carefully, please, here. Don't run in the corridor. Look at the picture. We start with the word don't run, don't plus infinitive in the negative form. Don't forget your books. Don't forget your books. But in positive, we start with the main verb. Listen well to the teacher. And the last one is do your homework. Do your homework. Now it's time for writing. Exercise number 3, write a list of do's and don'ts about your school library. What things we can do in the library and what we can do in the library. You can ask the school librarian. You can ask the school librarian. Think carefully, please, and tell us what can we do in the library and what we can't do. Let's check our answers here. These are some rules we should do in the library. Always keep quiet in the library. Always keep books clean. Always read silently. Always behave well with your classmates. Here, don't make noise in the library. Don't behave badly. Don't forget your objects here. Don't take books without asking for permission. Now, my dear students, let's move to lesson 4. What are the 4 directions? What are the 4 directions? North, south, east, west. These are the 4 directions. Directions. Here are some directions. Look at them. The first one, go straight. Go straight. Turn right. Turn left. On the right. On the left. Next to. Between. In front of. These are some directions and prepositions of place. Now let's study these new vocabulary in our lesson 4. Show me Kuwait Liberation Tower. Which one? In this picture we can see Kuwait Liberation Tower. This one, that's right. This one, this is Kuwait Liberation Tower. Liberation means to free a country or a person. The next word, repeat after me. Destination, 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 destination. My destination next holiday will be San Francisco. My destination next holiday will be San Francisco. So the word destination, it means the place where that people will travel to visit. A place that people will travel to visit. This route is for buses only. Our word here is route. Repeat after me. Route, route, route. Route means a way from one place to another. This is a route. Let's revise our vocabulary. This is Liberation Tower, Liberation Tower, Liberation. That's right. What can you see in this picture? Destination, destination, destination. The last one is route, route. Now in your student's book, page 26, exercise number 4. We want to match the phrases with the pictures. Here we have 6 pictures and 6 phrases. We want to match them together. Match the phrases with the pictures. Take the first right. B, turn right. C, it's on the left. D, take the second left. E, go straight on. F, cross the road. Think carefully and try to answer. What about A? Take the first right. That's right, it's 6. B, turn right. It's 2. Excellent. What about C? It's on the left. It's on the left. It's 5. Excellent. D, take the second left. Take the second left. This one. That's right. It's 1. Go straight on. Go straight on. That's right. It's number 4. Cross the road. Cross the road. It's number 3. Look at the picture here, clear, and read the direction with me. Take the first right. Take the first right. Turn right. It's on the left. Take the second left. Go straight on. Cross the road. Now let's move to exercise number 5. Look at the map. Locate the places in reference to J.W. Marriott. You are in J.W. Marriott. Use these words: behind, near, opposite, in front of, in the center, south, east, next to. You can use these words to give directions. Where are these places on the map? Ministries Complex, Salhiya Complex, Liberation Tower, Kuwait Television, Triangle Restaurant. Look at the map and try to locate the places. Try to use these words: behind, near, opposite, in front of, in the center, south, east, next to. Places here. This one, this is Ministries Complex. Ministries Complex is east from J.W. Marriott. The next one, Salhiya Complex, is opposite J.W. Marriott. Liberation Tower is east from J.W. Marriott. Kuwait Television is in the south of J.W. Marriott. Triangle Restaurant is in the north of J.W. Marriott. Exercise number 6, my dear students. Read the following message and follow the route on the map. Read the following message and follow the route on the map. Here is a message from Layla to Salwa. We want to read this message and follow the route on the map. She said, I am glad you are comfortable at the J.W. Marriott Hotel. Let's meet for dinner at Lorenzo Cafe at 7 p.m. It's easy to walk there from the hotel. First, concentrate with me, my dear students. Be careful and follow the directions here. First, head west on Abdelaziz Al-Safar Street. Next, turn left onto Fahd Salim Street. Go straight on for about 6 minutes, then take a sharp left on Muhammad Thaniyan Al-Ghanim Street. Your destination will be on the right. See you there, Layla. After reading the message, let's follow the route on the map. Let's check our answer here. That's right. Look at the arrows here. That's right. Excellent. Thank you, my dear students. Meet you in the next period, inshallah. Thank you and goodbye.